I love what Grand Design did with this motorhome. Not only does it feel modern and sleek, but it also has solar on board, and look at the beautiful paint job it has. All right, before we check out the exterior, I know you guys are ogling over this color. It's a beautiful gray color. We're gonna check out the interior. Gonna lock this into place.
All right, let's check this thing out.
Yeah, let's do it. So as you come in, we have the cab here, and this is gonna be where your extra guests sleep, your kids maybe, you know. You could definitely extend this to make this a actual full-size bed. Now, this is pretty nifty. This is the shade. With the click of a button, it goes down.
Oh, that's really cool.
Goes up. LED light that goes all across the bed, so you can definitely see what you're doing. And if those are not enough, they have these night lights here on either side.
So what if I want some privacy?
If you want some privacy, I'm so glad you asked. Just take this curtain. Bam.
Nice. Nobody will know I'm up there.
It's like a good, fun game of hide and go seek.
That's where I would hide every time.
And I would find you every time. Storage on either side as well. Look at those. Put your phone in there. And there's a ladder too, in case you need to plop up. I guess you could climb up here.
I was gonna think, how do you get up there? I was gonna use those seats, but good thing there's a ladder.
You don't want to use these seats. But yeah, you could definitely use a ladder. And outlets, as well as fans on those
You do
walls.
need outlets. That's for sure.
Below me here is the driver's seat and the passenger seat. Now this is gonna be on a Ford chassis, and this is a 6.7 liter. It's gonna have a twin turbo.
It's so cool when you know these things,
It's
man.
powerful. It is powerful.
You could probably drive this.
I could totally drive this
Let's
thing.
see you fit in there.
All right, we're gonna switch here.
Oh, look at that. That's easy. I gotta go to the bathroom. Boom, she jumps in. I just run away.
We're not jumping. I'm
Okay,
driving
fine.
the whole way.
She's driving good. That's my autopilot. No need for
So
a
we have
Tesla. You got Val.
We have a touch screen here and all of our buttons here for controls, and it's pretty comfy. Very buttery, leathery seats. The smear, you guys, it's huge. These have side cameras and a backup camera, which is pretty cool. You can see that from here.
That is really cool.
Next, this seat is really cool because it has a safe in there. So you stow away your valuables. If you have a gun or valuables that you want to keep in there, you certainly can.
Well, that's very nifty. I'm gonna keep snacks in there.
Or you can have snacks in here too.
Well, we have kids, so we're gonna hide them in there and they'll never know. Change the password every month.
Oh, that's a lot of work. On this wall, we have buttery, leathery. Leathery? Why do I keep saying leathery?
Well, I mean,
Buttery.
they are leathery.
They are leathery, but they're very buttery and soft and dangerously comfortable. These go up and down with a click of a button, very fast. So you can enjoy your TV.
Oh, is that on autopilot? That's just going by itself.
Whoa, this is crazy.
Jeez, Grand Design, you're making this easy for us.
Okay, how do I make it go back? I don't want to lay down. Okay.
All right, she clicked the wrong button.
No, I didn't. I think I had to click the front one and then the back one. And then USB-C, USB ports here, a cup holder. Love these seats. Windows all around. These are going to be your European style windows. Storage up here.
That's a nice place right there. Probably store some games in there.
Store some games, maybe a blanket or two for those cozy vibes when you want to watch TV, veg out. Oh, I was going to say, these are soft close. So no matter how hard you want to push them or like slam them, it's just not going to work. Right behind those recliners is the dining area. This is where you're gonna have those yummy meals with your family, beautiful windows to see those mountain views and enjoy dinner. Maybe you're gonna be working from here, cup holders, and
Yeah, that's what I would do.
this actually turns into a bed.
There's also outlets by there, right there. So if you are gonna work, you have outlets.
Definitely, they've got you covered.
So it turns into a bed. It's kind of nifty.
And storage as well. Ooh. And this goes all throughout. So you can definitely store some larger items. Day shades, night shades. Let me show you how these work. We have our day shades. So when you want to open up these windows, which they open up the unconventional way.
What does that mean?
So what that means is that when your windows are unlocked, you just sway them out and then you put your day shades down. Let me show you. This is what I mean. Once you unlock everything, push it out,
That is super cool.
put this down, and that way you have a window there.
Which I like, because I love the rain. And when it's raining, I keep my windows open. So that actually keeps the water away. Brilliant.
Maybe. It depends on how bad that wind is.
Well, yeah, of course. Light rain, a little drizzle.
So very easy. Then just lock it into place. Boom. All right, let's talk about the storage underneath. These are fantastic drawers, good for maybe some dry goods, homeschooling stuff, maybe some blankets for the guests that are sleeping here or the kids.
Those are very, very big guys.
And then you just lock it into place like that. Very easy. And like, boom.
They're utilizing all the storage, all the space.
They really did. Now the kitchen, let's talk about it because it's a chef's kitchen. It really is. There's a lot of counter space, and if that's not enough, you could definitely extend this. That way you have more room to work with.
Smart.
TV on top. It's a decent sized TV that you're gonna see from your recliners.
Yeah, they have the little frame around it so the TV just isn't by itself. So little details, guys.
It kind of lives in there.
Yeah, little details.
You're gonna unlock all of these and it's gonna be very addicting where your sponges go.
And if you guys notice, everything is square. Guys, look at this. They have square hooks, square windows. They don't even have a round TV, guys. They put a square TV for you. Everything. Look at these. Square speakers, square lights.
Yeah,
These guys.
you're pretty square.
I am pretty square.
Now the sink also comes with cutting board.
A square cutting board.
It's not
mind you.
square. Do you know your shapes, sir?
Sorry.
This is a rectangle. Thank you very much.
I mean, I guess she's right. That's why she gets paid more than me.
Matte black faucet. This is gonna be where your cups are gonna be going upside down. Wanted to wash them. Oh, and check this out, guys. Everything is square. Everything.
Wow.
All.
Even the drain is square, guys.
Even the drain is square.
Good job, Grand Design.
They did a really good job. And I low-key really want this unit. Just saying. Microwave, little extra storage on top. Even the lights, they're square. Microwave here, 3-burner stove top, and a decent size oven. Real tile, which is, I love this color first off, and it feels very, very high end.
It's true.
Just touch it. It's
touch
solid.
That is solid.
On this wall, we have a fridge. It's not a full-size residential fridge, but it's enough space for all your necessities. On this wall here, pantry.
It's a nice size
You can
pantry.
put extra shelving in there
That's what I would do.
to put more stuff in there, so it's a lot of that dead space on top. Soft close. Bam.
Ooh,
Bedroom.
What's that door? That really long one.
So this one is going to be your
Looks cool.
privacy curtain.
Oh my goodness. The
For
kids
this
will
bedroom.
never know we're back there.
It's just always going to be, yeah, a surprise. Bedroom here with a king-size bed. Now, this is very, very comfortable. Windows on either side. Again, you can black those out if you need to for privacy. And a headboard here. Lights that goes into blue and white. LED strip light,
Really
extra
liking
vibe,
these LED lights.
right?
Really nifty.
It's a cool vibe. Everything, you guys, feels very, very high end. You could throw your decorative pillows up here once you're done. Behind me is a his and her closet. I mean, I like to call it his and her, right? You want to
More
give
of hers closet.
mainly hers, right, and a little bit of his, to be honest. So again, hangables can go up here, LED strip on the top there for lighting, and you have all the space here to play around with. Maybe some shoes, maybe you could even put some shoe racks in there if you want to, maybe even handbags, HDMI that would go there, right?
Yes, that's an HDMI. So you would probably run that to your TV here. Probably connect your Blu-ray DVD player if you still have that. VHS. No, the VHS doesn't do HDMI, but you know.
And an outlet there for your convenience. Now it's a little tight back here, so I'm just going to make sure those are locked in. So this one.
Ooh, what's that?
So this one also has a little cover on here if you want to just put some shallow items, maybe some jewelry, and a couple of drawers down here. It's a little tight, so
Yeah.
for me, I'm a little smaller, so it's tight for me.
That's
but
called the his closet, just that one.
just the one drawer
Just the one drawer.
for your jeans and t-shirts.
A jeans, t-shirt, socks, and that's it.
Yeah, all of that combined. This bed is not your typical storage, but typically you'll lift this whole entire bed frame, I guess, up. they have a little handle for you, and that way you can stow away maybe some long-term item that you want to access through the top. Maybe it's too cold outside, you don't want to go outside, and you just want to have it on hand here.
Very nifty.
Definitely put it from, you can definitely use the exterior access point as well.
Next thing is very convenient.
On this wall, we have a TV and our little control here for our bed ceiling light, LED light, master on, off, and then you can put the bed up.
No, the fan.
Oh, sorry.
That's the fan.
Sorry, the fan up or down and the speed, sorry. All right, and on this wall.
Ooh.
Little cubby area with an outlet and a USB-C port.
Oh, that's kind of cool. I'll put like a cactus in there.
A cactus, yeah.
Yeah,
You could definitely
cactus.
put a decorative plant in there. One that will never die.
A battery-powered cactus. There you go. You got electricity and everything too.
Battery-powered cactus, that's new.
Yeah, I know.
All right, you're gonna come over here to, we're gonna check out this right here. Fair enough. Those trips to the laundromat are not fun, so they have you covered with these machines here. Dryer, washer, very convenient to have when you are not wanting to go out and you just want to wash all those clothes inside your own RV.
That is so nifty.
For your own convenience. Okay, we're gonna go to the bathroom.
All right, I'll follow you. That's a square knob.
Square knob. Everything in here is square.
Jeez.
Bathroom. We are in the shower currently. Shower head. Look at this fancy shower head. And controls, of course, you can put your shower stuff down here and a marble feel and look to it. Very nice.
That is really cool.
And a drain. Check that drain out.
Even the drain looks fancy. Jeez.
It has that logo on it.
Grand Design logo.
Grand Design logo. LED lights that go across here and plenty of not leg space.
I mean, you do
Headspace.
have plenty of leg space too. You
And
do jumping
you
jacks.
could do a dance here if you want. You can sing in here. So this is a curtain for your shower. I'm going to talk about the sink. Square, or I guess rectangular, right? Rectangular matte black faucet here. Beautiful.
It's on the smaller side, but
It's on the smaller side, but if you're going to be washing your face, it's going to be a little bit harder too, but it's doable. It's doable. It just might be a little bit messy. Now we have this vanity space.
is what they call it.
Counter space. This is a mirror and our medicine cabinet with open shelving on top. Doors here, everything's soft close. Those lights down there, those are gonna be your saving grace at 2 a.m. because they are motion detecting. We have a toilet paper holder, outlet, towel holder, window, and on this wall, you will see these towel hooks. This is where you do your business. Plenty of leg space. I would say it's a little tight with this corner here, but if you just pivot a little bit, it might be better. All right, now before we get outside, I wanted to also mention that we have a couple of AC units here, as well as some fans there. And with a click of a button, you can connect to your RV basically from your phone anywhere. If you're in Barcelona or you're in Japan or something and you want to control something from your phone, connecting to the RV, I guess, yes, you have that 5G global, which is really, really, really cool. Now we're going to talk about some specs before we go out. So the length of this bad boy is 33 feet and 9 inches. Your height is at 12 feet and 3 inches. Sleeps up to 5 people. This is a 6.7 liter, 8-cylinder. You're gonna have 330 horsepower. Freshwater capacity is at 79 gallons. Gray water is at 66 gallons. And your black is at 45 gallons. And your gross weight is at 22,000 pounds. All right, let's go check out the exterior. Before we go outside, there's a few things I want to show you in this little area. First, we're going to talk about this control panel here. This controls your whole entire RV from climate to closing the awnings. And down below is our battery. So it's easy access. All you have to do is just lift this up and then you have your battery there.
Super nifty.
Really easy to just access that. And this door, it's not just a regular door. It is a insulated door. So this whole RV is actually insulated. This is perfect for 4 seasons. Take it out to Alaska, to Mexico, wherever you are. It's gonna keep you nice and warm or cold.
That is very thick door.
Easy access items here, maybe a flashlight, umbrella, and these bungee cords. And that is it for our door. Oh wait, there's more. Keep those mosquitoes away.
Oh, that's super cool.
With this shade. I guess this, shade, you could use it as a shade. Or anti-bug shade.
Anti-bug mechanism. It's.
All right, now we're gonna start over there or here. I don't know, I'm torn. This way.
It's a sharp looking RV, guys. Look at this thing.
All right, these side mirrors are extended, so you're gonna be able to see what's behind or on the side of you. And it's on a F600 chassis. You have your Fox shocks, BDS suspension. They're not messing around. Those rims looking good. And the front end, this is a mean looking machine.
They really made it
all
look
blacked
nice.
out. So nice. I love the color. I love the gray. You have a couple of other options, actually a few other options to choose from in terms of full body paint. Rims here. And again, driver's side here, slide on this side on this wall. And underneath, you'll find a generator.
You have solar as well. So
yeah, you have solar on board.
And the generator. In case the solar is going to be good for just the basics, but then if you need more juice,
yeah, so
the generator kicks in.
This is the Cummins Onan QD8000. Exhaust here for generator, as well as side cameras, storage. These are gonna be your long-term items, stuff that you don't wanna really access because you have this underneath. You would have to kind of crawl underneath if the slide is out. And behind here is gonna be your storage that goes all throughout to the other wall. Very, very convenient for larger items. And again, with those tires, the wheels, I mean, in general, just look really, really good. Behind here, have all of your pulls for your water tanks, fresh and black.
It's very convenient. It's all right here, guys.
Yep, and then you can just put all those hoses underneath there, so that's very nice. And an outdoor shower. Of course, your diesel, sewer hose. That's pretty cool. That is actually a powered, retractable electricity thing. Yeah, so all you do is just...
electrical cable, so...
Yes, electrical cable. So once you are pulling into a campground or a resort, you just pull this out, and then once you're done, you press a button to retract it, and it just spins it for you, so you don't have to mess with any of that. I know from experience, we full-time, and that would be very, very convenient because a lot of times we just end up shoving the wire in there, and it's a mess. Love the exterior, gray Lineage logo, and a backup camera.
You can check out this hitch. So this hitch can tow up to 15,000 pounds. So you're towing a car. You could probably tow 2 cars if you wanted to.
I mean, if you have a Jeep or a truck, hook that up, flat tow it, easy. And we have another slide on this side, storage underneath. Now the storage is not too crazy, but you have those compartments, which is nice. In case you wanted to divide it, you just have to memorize where you put the stuff.
Look at that. She's standing full height under that.
I'm 5'5".
Yeah, she doesn't
I'm
need
not
to
hitting
bend
my
down.
head.
That's convenient.
But check this out. This is going to be underneath your bed. Remember that storage that we talked about that has that access point from the inside, and then access to your tanks if you need it. All right, and then if you need to fill up your propane, which is necessary for cooking, that's where you would do it. And then tankless water heater to save that space. Again, this is the storage that goes all throughout to the other side. Good for larger items.
I mean, if you're going to go to like Alaska or somewhere, you need a gazebo, that's where you'd stick it. So be in a beautiful area, beautiful mountains.
Outlets on this wall, or on the side, I guess. And a TV. And notice everything has a clunk to it, so you know it's very, very well made.
Well, it makes sense, because if you're going to have your TV here, and then you could probably have your outlets, so maybe put some string lights, watch some TV.
Maybe a cooler in there.
Ah, cool. That makes sense.
Like a little mini fridge.
And you got Rockford Fosgate speakers.
Yes.
Inside and outside, guys.
Yeah, there you go.
So when you want to party, it is ready for you.
It's ready for partying. We have this awning here with LED lights that is perfect for sunny days like this because it's a little blinding. The coolest part of all is that if you buy this through Blue Compass, you get these amazing perks. Buying any RV from Blue Compass gets you the RV Complete VIP membership, which includes unlimited towing, windshield repair, and your very own RV tech, as well as other amazing benefits and exclusive Loves discounts. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you really enjoyed this Lineage. I love it so much. It feels very high-end, modern, sleek, and definitely see myself in the future with this, honestly. Right, Mark?
Sure.
All right. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.